Hello students, today we are going to study the chapter The Little Girl written by Catherine Mansfield. Before we start the chapter The Little Girl, we should know the characters. First character, Kezia, a little girl. Second character, Kezia's father. Third character, Kezia's mother. Fourth character, Kezia's grandmother. And the last character, Kezia's neighbor, that was Mr. MacDonald. Let's start the chapter. Kezia's fear about her father. Kezia's father was a figure of fear for her. She avoided him always. Before going to work, he would come to her, he would give her a casual kiss, but when he went, Kezia would feel a great relief. And why she feels that way? Because she was very much scared of her father. Let's see how Kezia comes before father in the evening. So in the evening, Kezia's father came home. Kezia would hear his loud voice calling for tea. Kezia's mother would ask Kezia to be a good girl to take off father's shoes. When she took off his shoes, he would ask if she had been a good girl that day. But she was terrified of him. Terrified means very much scared of her father, right? She would stutter due to fear. Stutter means a type of hesitation while you are talking. She in fact would try to speak, but she would hesitate due to fear. For Kezia, her father was a giant. Giant means a huge man. On a Sunday afternoon, grandmother of Kezia asked Kezia to have a nice talk with father and mother. But Kezia always found mother reading and father snoring. Snoring means making sound while you are sleeping. So she waited for father. She continued staring at father. She waited till he awoke. When he actually awoke, he asked her not to stare. So she looked like an. One day, Kezia's grandmother told her that her father's birthday was next week. So she suggested Kezia to make a pincushion of yellow silk. Pincushion means a small pillow. So Kezia made a pincushion for father. She needed something to the pincushion, to put something inside that pincushion. So she gathered a few sheets of fine paper and put them into it. These sheets belonged to her father, that had an important speech which he was to deliver. That night, there was hue and cry in the house. Father's great speech for the Port Authority had been lost. Rooms were searched, servants were questioned. Father went to Kezia's room and he asked her about them. Kezia didn't lie, and she told him that she had torn those papers. She told the truth, and what happened next? Let's see. Kezia's father asked Kezia to come to the drawing room and asked Kezia's mother to go to Kezia's mother and fetch those torn pages. Meanwhile, he asked Kezia to hold out her hand. He beat her on her hands. He did so to teach her that not to touch anything that didn't belong to her. Kezia heard this. She replied that what she did was for his birthday. Kezia was beaten on her hands. Hours later, her grandmother had wrapped Kezia into a shawl. She clung to her when she was being rocked in the rocking chair. She sobbed. Sobbed means cried. And she said, "What did God make fathers for?" She was so much sad at that time that she was questioning that why it made fathers. Now let's talk about Mr. McDonald's, Kezia's neighbor. The McDonald's lived next door to Kezia's house. He had 5 children. He plays with the children often. Kezia used to think while watching his neighbor playing with his children, there were different types of father in the world. This is what she thought when she saw Mr. McDonald's playing with his children, right? Now, Kezia's mother and grandmother at hospital. One day, Kezia's mother fell ill and she had to be hospitalized. Kezia's grandmother was with her. Kezia was all alone with Alice. Alice is the cook. Kezia asked Alice what would happen if she had a nightmare. But Alice asked her to sleep. She also asked her not to scream and not to wake her poor father. Right? Kezia's cook, Alice, asked her not to wake her father. But what happened? She had a nightmare. She saw a butcher with a knife and a rope. She came near Kezia, but she couldn't move. She was so much scared that she screamed and woke her father. Her father came to her bed. He asked her what was the matter. But after hearing her, he took Kezia with him. Now let's see the most important part of this chapter, that is Kezia's changed opinion about her father. Kezia's father lay down beside her. Kezia crept close to him. Crept means to move forward slowly. Then Kezia started thinking that every day her father works really hard for them, that he gets too tired to be like Mr. McDonald. And she had torn up his writing. She stirred. Stirred means move slightly. Her father asked what was the matter. Kezia told him that her head was on his heart, and she said that his heart is very big and it was beating. Now we have completed the chapter. Let's talk about the theme of the chapter. This story is based on the theme of young child's point of view about her father. Children take time to understand the action of their elders. Until then, they tend to develop a negative opinion and sometimes distrust. Distrust means when you don't trust the other person. However, as kids grow older, their attitude towards their elder undergoes change. Means their attitude changes. The theme of this story is based on this process of change that makes little children notice the soft and caring heart of their overly strict elders. So this chapter is asking us to understand our parents, our elders, right? I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.